The Mac Mini has always been Apple's best value device, and the latest M2 Mac Mini is not only more powerful but also less expensive. However, without the proper accessories, you won't be able to utilize its full power. So today, we'll go over some essential accessories to help you get the most out of your Mac Mini.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
To enjoy M2 Mac Mini's caliber, at first you must have a monitor. In that case, what would be a more suitable monitor than the Apple's in-house Studio Display? The Studio Display was introduced in partnership with the Mac Studio. And while the Mac Studio might be expensive for people who want the Studio Display, the Mac Mini is a perfect substitute for it. The Studio Display houses a 27-inch 5K Retina display with 14.7 million pixels and 600 nits of brightness. The 12-megapixels camera on top also supports Apple's popular feature, the center stage. On top of that, there are 6 built-in speakers to support spatial audio and 4 force-canceling woofers that produce bold articulate bass and minimize distortion along the 2 high-performance tweeters. The display is powered by a very powerful 813 Bionic chip, which offers a lot of AI features and super fast Siri voice command. On the back, you'll find 3 USB-C ports and 1 Thunderbolt port, so connectivity is not an issue with this monitor. So, the Apple Studio Display will offer exactly what you need to enjoy the Mac Mini's incredible power. Because the M2 Mac Mini only has 2 Thunderbolt ports, you might want to add more ports for USB-C, microSD card slot, or even more USB-A ports. In that regard, the Anker USB-C Hub can be the perfect solution for you. The hub plugs right into your device and gives you access to other ports in addition to the one you're currently using. The hub offers an additional 4K HDMI port, 2 USB-C ports, 1 for power delivery and another for transferring data up to 5 gigabits per second, 2 USB-A ports, 1 microSD card slot, and 1 SD slot. The SD and microSD card slots support virtually all SD card formats for seamless access to photos and other media files. This is a useful accessory because it adds multiple ports to your Mac Mini with a single USB-C connector rather than blocking the 2 USB-C ports. So we can say that this USB hub will transform your Mac Mini into a multi-dimensional device. The Mac Mini is small enough to fit under a stand or be easily tucked away, but doing so might well make it difficult to access the ports behind it in the future. In this case, the MonitorMate ProBase Gen 2 desk stand can be an excellent solution. The ProBase combines 2 additions to your desk, a monitor stand and an easy access to your Mac Mini ports. The device offers multiple ports on both sides and has a built-in drawer for additional storage. There's an integrated 31.5-inch USB-C cable that connects from the stand. It also has 100-watt pass-through charging port that splits 15 watts and 85 watts output for suitable devices. There are 2 SD card slots, each for an SD and a microSD card slot, plus a USB-C and USB-A ports available for connecting other devices. On the inside is a 4K HDMI port and a gigabit Ethernet port too. So for a product that solves 2 desk setup issues, the MonitorMate ProBase Gen 2 is an excellent choice for adding a monitor stand while also allowing easy access to the Mac Mini ports. Because the base version of the M2 Mac Mini only has 250 gigs of storage, you might just find your desktop running out of space very quickly. To solve this issue, we have picked the SanDisk Extreme PRO as an external storage solution. This rugged SSD houses a forced aluminum chassis acting as a heatsink to deliver higher sustained speeds and a portable drive that's tough enough to take on any adventure. From this SSD, you can get powerful NVMe solid-state performance featuring 2000 megabytes per second read and write speed. With a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, you can transfer data up to 20 gigabits per second. The built-in 256-bit AES hardware encryption helps keep your contents private with included password protection. SanDisk also provides simple-to-use security management software for Mac OS separately. Overall, the SanDisk Extreme Pro offers robust and durable design along with a top-notch file transfer performance with up to 20 gigabits per second transfer speed. With these impressive features, it's an excellent solution to expand your Mac Mini storage while providing reliable and secure performance. While over-the-head headphones are best suited for the majority of people, some may prefer in-ear headphones. In that case, the second-gen Airpods Pro can be a perfect combination of comfort and features to pair with your Mac Mini. With the H2 chip built inside, you can get crisp, clear high notes and deep reach bass from the custom-built driver and amplifier. Another perk of this TWS is that it is rendered for every specific ear shape. The second-gen Airpods Pro offers 2 times more noise cancellation than the previous generation and has adaptive transparency. The transparency mode allows you to tune out any background noise in or around your home while still being able to hear people clearly when needed. It has touch controls on the stem, which enables you to control the volume of the media you're listening to, play or pause it, answer or end calls, and switch between noise cancellation and adaptive transparency mode. In case of battery life, you can get up to 6 hours of listening time with noise cancelling on and up to 30 hours with a charging case. Overall, with impressive noise cancellation, bold sound, and the ability to easily switch between Apple devices automatically, the Airpods Pro can be a great choice when looking for light, small, and high-quality headphones. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.